So before, the computer would boot loop after installing Windows 98, and I read online that the problem is too much memory, so I pulled out 1 gig. Now it only has 256 megs. Yeah, I keep confusing those. Meg, gig, okay, megs. So 256 megabytes, and it started. I mean, this is still the installation process, I think. So let's see. Whatever. Company, I don't have a company. Oh, let's just put Z's here. Okay, I accept the license agreement. Oh, and I need the key. Where did I search for the key? Let's see, really fast now. Really fast on a slow phone. So, Win98SE key. Archive.org. They have some keys. So, MKF6 CH6 YG6. Wait, what? 99002? Oh, okay. GHR 48 and these things over here is invalid. Okay, let's try another one. This is always fun, but I don't think Microsoft cares anymore. So wait. Okay. So MKF6C. Wait. F6C. This is okay. This is not. These are Q's, man. What? Not zeros, Q's. QQ2, GHR 48, QTQ. What? WG. What? They didn't write it correctly. Come on. WG. Okay, now it finally. Okay. So at this point, this operating system is 25 years old. Maybe a little more. But yeah, I solved the boot loop problem by taking out the RAM, leaving only a tiny bit of it, and now it's continuing. And hopefully I can copy games from a USB stick. That's my goal. That's why I need an operating system, not just DOS. I have no way of transferring DOS games to the computer, because if I only start in DOS mode, I don't have a CD-ROM driver, I don't have a USB driver, I don't have anything. And yeah, what else could I use? USB, CD, take the hard drive to a friend's house. That was always the solution back then. Take the hard drive, copy what you want, and take it home. So I don't have another computer with IDE connectivity, so I have to do everything here. Well, actually I do, but I didn't start it up for a long time. I don't know if it works. It's Celeron dual core E3200. That's from the Core 2 Duo era. Maybe I will have to. I should install something on that too. And let's get that CD out. I don't think I need it anymore. I remember I had 32 megabytes of RAM the first time I installed Windows 98. And an AMD K7 II 400 megahertz processor. And later I added 64 and then 128 megabytes of RAM. And some sort of what was that called? S3 Verge 3D graphics card with 4 megabytes of RAM or something like that. And later I got a TNT2, NVIDIA TNT2. That was awesome for all the games. So time zone, does it really matter? I'm not going to connect this to the internet. It will just, yeah, it will just, okay. Control panel. I forgot about this step-by-step progress indicator. Updating system settings. Man, if this works, I'll be amazed. But yeah, you shouldn't connect it to a network. Definitely not to the internet. I remember back in the days, in 2002, we got internet at our block, apartment building, whatever you call it. And some people had still used Windows 95, 98. And yeah, almost every week I had to go to someone to reinstall the Windows, disconnect the network cable, install antivirus and firewall. And after that you can plug it in and hope for the best. If you just plugged it in with bare Windows, it just got beat to hell with viruses. So, yeah. Nowadays you don't even think about it. You install Windows 10, Windows 11, it has firewall, antivirus, all that good stuff. And you never have to think about it. Just install it and use it, and that's it. You even, you even connect to the internet while installing Windows, and you can download the updates, no problem. Even the BIOSes, most BIOSes now connect to the internet to download firmware. So that's how people trust the internet now, the internet and the software. Back then it was nowhere near this safe. Oh boy. Please wait while setup updates configuration files. This may take a few minutes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Can I leave it without the password? Yep. And it detected my monitor. Oh boy, the exact model number. That's funny. That's really funny. Okay, let's see. Wait, this is digital. I forgot about that. Oh boy. I thought it was a twisty thing. Show this screen each time Windows starts. No. Internet Explorer. Oh boy. So what I want to see before I end the video. I just want to see the drivers, if I have to install some drivers. System, device manager. Oh, the Ethernet, the dial-up adapter. Oh yeah, it used to install that automatically even though it doesn't have a dial-up adapter. Okay, Ethernet, the sound card. Yeah, I need some Sound Blaster drivers for that or something. And yeah, seems to be okay. Monitor, video card. Where's the graphics card? Display adapter, standard. It's actually an integrated graphics card with 64 megabytes of shared memory. So I don't know how that will be. But yeah, it seems okay. 248. Oh boy. Alright, the video card only uses 8 megabytes and then allocate some more if it needs it. I think we can disable the virtual memory. We have enough RAM. We have enough RAM for anything. Okay, like that. Where's the task manager? Does this even have a task manager? Oh boy, I don't even remember. Active desktop folder options. You press Ctrl Delete. Oh, this is the task manager. Okay, I forgot about this. Oh boy. Okay. So yeah, it seems to be working. I need the graphics drivers because I want to put the frequency, I mean the hertz. Yeah, you can't even set the proper resolution. This works best at 800 by 600. Is that a resolution or I just made it up? And it supports a lot of more colors, so I have to get drivers for that. And for the sound card, yeah, that's all. Maybe even without the sound card, at first I don't need sound, just the PC speaker will be fine under DOS. So yeah, it's nice that it works without the gigabyte stick, just 256 megabytes. And I have a Windows 98 computer and it can restart in MS-DOS mode. And it's very, very fast.